how to not multiply decimals. And now, maths. There are two important steps to not multiplying decimals. Using this method, you will only have to multiply whole numbers. First, you ignore the decimals and multiply the resulting whole numbers normally. Then you count the number of decimal places that were in the problem before you ignored them and add them to your answer. Let's look at an example. 1.2 multiplied by 0.3. The first thing we think is to ignore the decimals in the problem. 12 multiplied by 3 is 36. Then we count how many decimal places are in the two numbers in the problem and then insert the decimal place so that the answer has as many decimal places as the two original numbers had combined. Here are some more examples. 0.15 multiplied by 0.1. Ignoring the decimal places, 15 by 1 equals 15. We can count 3 decimal places in the multiplication, so inserting the decimal with 3 decimal places after it gives the answer of 0.015. 2.1 multiplied by 0.4, ignoring the decimal places, 21 by 4 equals 84. We can count 2 decimal places in the multiplications, so inserting the decimal with 2 decimal places after it gives the answer of 0.84. 0.35 multiplied by 0.02, ignoring the decimal places, 35 by 2 equals 70. We can count 4 decimal places in the multiplication, so inserting the decimal with 4 decimal places after it gives the answer of 0.007. Why does this work? Well, when we ignore the decimals, we are really multiplying each number by a multiple of 10. So when we have done the multiplication, we reverse our shortcut by dividing by the same amount we multiplied by, giving us the result with the correct number of decimal places. And that's how to not multiply decimal numbers.